Hey everyone, Derek here with Stow in One, and welcome back to Escape Velocity, where we tackle the business nightmares holding you back and we show you the way out. Today we're talking about a problem that's causing you to make terrible decisions with complete confidence. No real-time financial visibility. Here's the reality. You're running your business by checking the bank balance. It looks healthy, so you hire another person. You invest in more inventory. Maybe you even expand your operations. Then 3 months later, your accountant delivers the financials and you discover that you are actually losing money the entire time. By then, the damage is done, and you're still making the same mistakes because you have no idea what's actually happening in your business right now. This is what happens when you're flying blind financially, and it's destroying businesses that could be thriving. Let's talk about what this actually costs you. You're making critical decisions based on illusion rather than reality. Hiring, investing in inventory, expanding operations, all because the bank balance looks healthy. But that cash might be from customer deposits that you haven't earned yet, or from loans that you're going to have to repay. Months later, you discover you are actually losing money. The bank balance lied to you. Profitable and unprofitable work looks identical until it's too late. You're quoting the same margins for customers who cost you a fortune to serve versus those who are easy money. You're systematically underpricing your best work and over-delivering on your worst. And you have no idea because all revenue looks the same. And you can't course correct until the damage is done. By the time your accountant tells you Q2 is a disaster, you're already 2 or 3 months into quarter 3 repeating the same mistakes because you had no real-time feedback loop. You're learning about problems when it's too late to fix them. Here's how you fix this financial mess in 3 steps. Step 1. Build a simple financial dashboard tracking the metrics that actually matter daily and weekly. Track daily sales, weekly expenses broken down by category, and monthly profit margins. You don't need a perfect financial statement to know if you're trending up or down. Your dashboard should show you gross margin, which is revenue minus cost of goods sold. It should show you operating expenses versus budget, capital expenditures, and AR and AP aging. These are the numbers that tell you if your business is healthy or if it's bleeding out. And make sure you update it consistently so that you're looking at current reality and not stale data. This is not about perfection, it's about visibility. Step 2. Implement job and project costing to track profitability by customer, product line, or service. Stop treating all revenue as equal. Set up your system to track costs against specific jobs, projects, products, or customers so you can see profitability at the transaction level. That big customer might be your least profitable when you account for all of the hand-holding and rush work. That product with great margins might have hidden fulfillment costs killing profitability. You can't fix what you can't see, and aggregate numbers hide the truth. When you know what's actually making money and what's costing you, you can make intelligent decisions about pricing, customers, and where to focus your energy. Step 3. Create automated weekly reports and establish monthly internal financial review meetings. Set up automated weekly reports for your key metrics. I'm talking gross margin trends, operating expenses versus plan, AR and AP aging, burn rate. These should hit your inbox automatically every week so you always know where you stand. Then hold monthly internal financial review meetings even before formal accountant-prepared statements are ready. You should be reviewing performance, identifying problems, and adjusting course every 30 days, not every 90 days when the formal financials finally arrive. Real-time visibility means real-time decision-making, not retrospective autopsies of the mistakes you can't undo. Here's what changes when you get real-time financial visibility. You make decisions based on reality. No more guessing, no more hoping the bank balance tells the truth. You know your numbers, so you can make confident moves that actually make sense. You stop bleeding money on unprofitable work. When you see profitability by customer, product, or project, you fix your pricing. You fire bad customers, and you double down on what's working. Your margins improve because you're making intelligent choices. And you catch problems early, instead of discovering disasters months later. You see trends as they developed. You course correct in real time. Problems that could have killed you become minor adjustments because you spotted them early. Look, running a business by checking the bank balance isn't management, it's hope. And hope isn't a strategy. You need to know what's actually happening in your business today, not 3 months from now when it's too late and you can't do anything about it. The old way of waiting for your accountant to tell you how you did last quarter, that made sense when accounting was done with ledgers and calculators. It does not make sense anymore. The technology exists to know your numbers in real time, so use it. Build that dashboard this week. Set up job costing. Create those automated weekly reports. Do this, and you'll never wonder if you're actually making money again. I'm Derek with Stellar One. If you're ready to escape velocity on financial visibility nightmares or any of the other problems we tackle in this series, visit us at stellar1.io. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.